Adorable cats and dogs. Meet the stars of our show, Adorable Cats and Dogs. They're not just pets, they're family. Marvel at their hilarious antics and heartwarming moments. Witness how they transform ordinary days into extraordinary ones. Discover their unique personalities. From playful kittens to loyal dogs, there's a pet that's perfect for everyone. Get tips on pet care from experts. After all, these little creatures deserve nothing but the best. So, tune in. Let's celebrate our furry friends. After all, life's better with adorable cats and dogs.